Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande, and today is the 18th of April 2019. We are back in the serial Ayurveda for All. We want to spread this Ayurvedic knowledge in a very simple and lucid language throughout the world because this is a very interesting life science. It is not only a medical science. And in this serial Ayurveda for All, we are talking about the types of Kapha Dosha. Human body is composed of Dosha, Dhatu, Mala, Moolam, Hi Shariram. Dosha, Dhatu and Mala, bioenergies, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asthi, Majja and Shukra, that is the plasma or the water and electrolytes, blood, muscle, fat tissue, osseous tissue or the bony tissue, nervous tissue and also the bone marrow, and of course the last reproductive tissue. These are the 7 tissues, and sthula mala, that is the gross waste products, mutra, purisha and sweda, urine, stool and the sweat. These are the waste products. So our body is composed of dosha, dhatu and mala. Of course these are the gross elements, and there are sensory and motor organs, mind, and of course the soul principle. These are the subtle elements. We are talking about the types of Kapha Dosha. Vata, Pitta and Kapha, these are the 3 bioenergies which control the all physiological processes when they are normal in quantity, quality and function. But when they are disturbed, when they are vitiated because of our faulty lifestyle, our faulty diet, then these bioenergies can also make a pathological condition in our body. These bioenergies are existing in every cell, every organ and every system, but still they are predominantly acting, predominantly present in 5 important places. Vata dosh are having 5 types: prana, udana, vyana, saman and apan. Pitta is also having 5 types: pachak, ranjak, bhrajak, sadhak and alochak. And Kapha dosha is also having 5 types: kledak, bodhak, avalambak, shleshak and tarpak. Again, I will repeat once again: kledak, bodhak, avalambak, shleshak and tarpak. All these kapha molecules are like a mechanical energy. They provide the nutrition to that particular cells, to that particular organ, to that particular system. Nutrition, then the growth of that organ to take care of wear and tear. And last but not least, maintenance of that particular cell, particular organ, particular system is done with the Kapha dosha or Kapha bioenergy. So Kapha is having the properties Guru Snigdha Shita Manda. So Guru is a protecting mechanism. It's a heavy. That means it will prevent the wear and tear. Avalambak Kapha. Avalambak Kapha is one of the type of the Kapha dosha of which we are talking today. Where is present? Urastaha. A little bit Sanskrit. Urastaha satrikasya swaviryataha. Rudayasyanna viryacha tastha eva ambukarmana. So I will repeat. Urastaha, it is present in the chest region. Ura means chest. Trika, it will take protection. It will give the nutrition to the 3 important organs in the chest. Which are the 3 important organs? Lung, heart and mediastinum. Mediastinum is the place in between the heart and lung. So heart, lungs and mediastinum. Who is taking precaution? Who is giving nutrition? According to Ayurveda, Avalambak Kapha. These are the Kapha molecules which are responsible for the protection, for the nutrition, for the lubrication. As everybody of us know that heart and lungs are maintaining their function or working from birth to death. Lungs are the organ of respiration by which we take the oxygen and we expel the carbon dioxide. So purification of the blood is done with the help of local circulation from heart to lung and lung to heart. Impure blood is going into the lung where alveoli is there, and alveoli they exchange the O2 and CO2 with the help of blood, and then purified blood again come into the heart, and through the aorta, biggest artery, it is circulated in the body. So heart and lungs are very, very important. Heart, inspiration, lungs, I am talking about lungs. Inspiration, expiration. Inspiration, expiration. Continuous movement is there. Movement is because of the Vata bioenergy. Then heart, lup, dup, lup, dup. Contraction, relaxation. Contraction, relaxation. Lung also, contraction, relaxation. Contraction, relaxation. So whenever there is a movement, always Vata Dosha is present. And how is the Vata Dosha? Is a dry in nature. So whenever there is a movement in the heart and lung, there is a friction, there is a movement, and the dryness will increase, wear and tear will be there. So there must be some protective mechanism, nutritive mechanism to the heart, lungs and mediastinum. So whichever the serous secretions in the respiratory tract, whichever the secretions in the cardiovascular tract, so whatever the water molecules are there, serous secreting glands are there, mucus secreting glands are there in respiratory system and in cardiovascular system. Whichever the mucus, whichever the serous secreting glands around the lungs, in the heart, around the heart, in the mediastinum, in the chest, whatever serous, mucus, watery part, it is composed of kapha molecule. Remember my words. So, from the nose up to your respiratory system, throughout in the chest, there are some mucus secreting glands, and they are very essential to protect the wear and tear because of the continuous movement from birth to death. So, we have to protect our heart, we have to protect our lungs with these kapha molecules. And how they are? They are anchas, snigdha. So, whatever interstitial fluid, remember the words, interstitial fluid, whatever the surfactant is there, surfactant is a coating around the lungs. Surfactant, pneumocytes 1, pneumocytes 2, a little bit scientific language. So all these cells are parallel working method like the kapha molecules. Then you must remember about the pleura. Pleura is a covering around the lung, and in between parietal and visceral pleura, there is a pleural fluid. So pleural fluid is also parallel to the Avalambak Kapha. Then similar, around the heart, there is a pericardium, and in that pericardium, there is a pericardial fluid. So pleural fluid, pericardial fluid, interstitial fluid, mucus secreting glands, each and everything according to Ayurveda can be labeled as Avalambak Kapha molecules. Avalambak Kapha molecules. For example, Kapha is anchas. So whenever there is a habit which will provoke the dryness, if you are continuously smoking bidi, cigarette, tobacco, all this is a dry substance. And because of this excessive dryness, for example, air pollution is a dry. So what will happen? Your Avalambak Kapha will be totally damaged. So to protect the Avalambak Kapha, we must take care or protect ourselves from the air pollution. We should not smoke at all because that can damage your Avalambak Kapha. Remember my words. So Avalambak Kapha is very important to protect your heart, lungs and mediastinum, all the chest organs. What is Avalambak? What is Avalambana? Very interesting Sanskrit quotation. Avalambanam iti swakarmani samarthyam utpadayati. I will repeat 3 times. Avalambanam iti swakarmani samarthyam utpadayati. So avalambana, swakarma, what is the function of lung? Swakarma, self function of the lung. Inspiration and expiration. Inspiration and expiration, swakarma. What is the function of the heart? Pumping of the blood. Lup, dup, lup, dup. So these self functions of the lungs and heart, that is called as a avalambana swakarmani samarthyam utpadayati. So Avalambak Kapha will strengthen. Avalambak Kapha will strengthen the function of lung and heart. Avalambak Kapha will strengthen the function of lung and heart. That is why Rudabasti is very interesting. Rudabasti. I will talk later. Rudabasti is an oil. We have to keep the oil in the oil well around the heart region, pericard. That particular heart region, we have to do that particular process, Rudabasti. That will nourish, or that will give us the protection or the nourishment to our Avalambak Kapha. And Avalambak Kapha, then you protect your heart and the lungs and the mediastinum. My dear friends, today I have talked to you about one of the important type of Kapha Dosha, that is Avalambak. There are 5 types of Kapha Dosha: Kledak, Bodhak, Avalambak, Shleshak and Tarpak. My dear friends, I hope you are liking all these my audios and videos. Please kindly support to my this, the knowledge spreading activity of the Ayurveda and the health sciences. I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourself and have a nice day ahead. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.